We purchased the Yaber K3 smart projector on Amazon using the link in the description. If you're looking for the best price and available discount coupons, don't forget to check it out. Let me start by saying that the picture quality of this projector is absolutely outstanding. The 1600 ANSI lumens brightness ensures vivid and sharp visuals, even in well-lit environments. Whether you're watching a movie indoors or enjoying an outdoor cinema night, the 4K support and native full HD resolution bring every scene to life with vibrant colors and incredible detail. This projector excels at delivering a premium cinematic experience that rivals professional theaters. One of the standout features is a JBL-powered 30W speaker system, which provides crystal clear, room-filling sound. The Dolby audio integration adds depth and richness to the audio, creating a truly immersive experience. In fact, I found the built-in speakers so good that I didn't need to connect an external sound system. If you've been considering buying a soundbar, I'd recommend trying the projector's built-in audio first. You might find it more than sufficient. The auto screen adaptation is a huge time saver. It quickly and accurately adjusts the screen alignment and focus, ensuring you get a perfect picture every time without any manual effort. This feature, combined with its Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth connectivity, makes the Yaber K3 incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're streaming directly via Google TV or mirroring from your smartphone, the connection is fast, stable, and seamless. Speaking of Google TV, this projector offers over 7,000 apps, including Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and more. You have an endless library of entertainment at your fingertips, all accessible through an intuitive interface. The inclusion of Netflix as a licensed app is a game changer for smart projectors, as you can stream your favorite shows and movies without any additional steps. The Yaber K3 design also deserves praise. It's compact, sleek, and portable, making it ideal for both home and outdoor use. The build quality feels premium, and it's easy to set up and transport. In conclusion, the Yaber K3 smart projector is an excellent choice for anyone seeking stunning picture quality, exceptional audio, and smart features in one package. It's perfect for movie nights, gaming, and even casual presentations. Don't miss out. Grab yours now on Amazon using the link in the description for exclusive discounts, fast delivery, and a seamless shopping experience.